So I got one of these off Amazon for the bathroom. They have cups that fit upside down and are held in place by a magnet. They've got a couple of drawers which you can keep bits and pieces in, nail clippers, jewelry, whatever you want. And they have this that you can kind of screw your toothpaste into, and then there's a pushing mechanism in here that will draw the toothpaste out, and as you push your toothbrush in there, it will put a nice bead of toothpaste on your toothbrush, and that way you're not fighting with the toothbrush. Not that that's that big of a deal in someone's daily life, but it's kind of neat. It also has the top where you can also place things. So if you've got a smaller sink, this will allow you to take things off of the edges and give you more room on the sink itself. So pretty nice for an organizational type thing. To install it, it comes with this. You should have a level so that when you put this on the wall, you can mark the holes with where you need to screw it in. Now, these holes don't go all the way through. I used a drill bit to poke holes in them, mainly because when I put it up against the wall and used my Sharpie to mark the holes and took it down, only then did I realize that I really didn't mark the wall, but just the other side of this plastic. Now this plastic on here, on this side, is in case you want to use the adhesive to mount this with. If you have a regular drywall, I don't recommend using the adhesive. I would recommend drilling the holes so that it stays up better. But if you have tile that you don't want to drill into, then I would hold this up against the wall and get my level, make sure it's good, and then I would mark some spots on the bottom on both sides so that when I peeled the plastic off and get ready to stick it, I'm sticking it level. Now when you peel the plastic off, the best thing to do is get a hair dryer or a heat gun and heat this side up to warm up the adhesive to get a better stick. Once it's on the wall, you have these things here. They stick out and you simply slide them into this and it attaches with this piece. So pretty easy overall. As far as the installation goes, the toughest part is going to make sure that you have it level when attaching it or screwing it in. I'm going to use the provided hardware. Now they have somewhat of a point on the end, but you're more than likely to tear it up trying to hammer that in. So I'm going to use a drill, and I'm using a little bit smaller of a drill because I'm too lazy to go in and get a bigger one. So I'm likely going to need to use the drill to wallow out the holes just a tad to make it bigger, just a little bit bigger, and then I will hammer this in and seat it in the drywall. If you don't know how a level works, you just put it on top of what you are hanging so that it's on both sides, and then you're looking for the bubble to be in the middle as close as possible. This is going to make it hang level, but whether it looks level or not is going to depend on how level the sink was hung, how level the mirror was hung, and in some cases, depending on what you're hanging, how level the roof is. So it's best just to leave it level. If you need to adjust later, fair enough, but this is typically the best way to do this. Another way might be to measure from the surface you are going up from and mark that off as well. But levels are pretty cheap and a lot easier than measuring. Another thing to consider is that this plastic piece is not the exact length from end to end, and it's not going to sit exactly at the top. It's going to be down just a little bit, so you need to factor that in with where you're going to hang it on the wall to make sure you've got good clearance from anything above it or below it. So I've got my holes made, and I just need to drill those out. If you don't know what's behind your walls, it's a good idea to just go slow, right like that. You could go too far and nick plumbing lines, electric. You really don't want to do that, so just easy does it until you're through. That's all that's really needed. Now, for this drill bit, as I already said, it's a little bit too small for this. I might be able to hammer that in, but this is plastic and it can be bent and lead to other issues and frustration. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger just by putting pressure in a circle around, and you can see now that that's larger obviously than this one, but that's how you want to do that. Don't go too crazy, because you'll need to make sure that you're still going to have enough pressure for this to hold in the drywall. You don't want this being loose. Another thing is, you really don't want to use a power drill on these, because you could risk pushing the anchor through the wall, which is kind of a pain. I mean, you can always get pliers and try to pull the screw back out, but you want to minimize that. You want to make things faster than or easier as you can, rather than having to fight things. And there it is, attached to the wall. Normally I would use better anchors, but you really have to be careful with this one because you have a limited amount of space in here for the screw hole. Although that shouldn't be a huge deal, because you do have a little bit of space in here as well to accommodate the screw if it does come out just a tad, but just be mindful of that. So again, I didn't use the adhesive, really no need to on this, and if I decide to take it down, I don't want to tear up the paint or the texture. I would rather just fill a couple of small holes and move on with stuff. So that's what it looks like when it's mounted. Then we're simply going to slide this and you don't have to be too rough with it, just make sure it's good. You can check your level, and that's still close enough for perfect. So, little cups that it comes with. Obviously, these need to be washed out before use, as with anything, but after you're done using it, rinse, and then you can just push it up and hold it. You know, the disadvantage to that is if it's still wet, it may drip down, but it's nice to have the cups out of the way if you use them and that suits you. But that's all there is to hanging that up. Looks pretty good. It's going to take a lot of the clutter off of the sink. Hopefully this helps. I got this off Amazon, by the way.